Core exercise sequence featuring single leg bridges and bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches level 1. Level 1 is the easiest level where your legs are going to point up in towards the sky and you bicycle crunch touching elbow to opposite knee. Perform 10 to 15 reps on each side. After completing your bicycle crunches, then proceed to a single leg lock bridge. You're going to hold one knee up into your chest and you're going to bridge up as high as you can. 5 to 10 reps. On the last rep you're going to hold. You want to hold that knee into your chest really strong each time you bridge. Get your hips up as high as you possibly can. 5 to 10 reps on each side and then hold. On the next round, we're going to come back to the bicycle crunches, but do level 2, which means your legs are going to be lower towards the floor. Your legs will reach out at knee height. This will be harder on your hip flexors and your core muscles. Still touch elbow to knee each time as you are reaching your legs lower than in level 1. Perform 10 to 15 reps on each side. Then for the bridges, level 2, we will do a straight leg bridge. So grab a foam roller and place it underneath your calf. Still hold one knee up into your chest and bridge your hips up as high as you possibly can. Stay nice and tall through your spine. 5 to 10 bridges and then hold for 10 seconds. As you're holding, keep the hips up as high as you possibly can. And then afterwards switch legs and repeat the same sequence. 5 to 10 bridges and then holding, keeping the hips up as high as possible. For the third round, we'll come back to the bicycle crunches. And this time we're going to bring the foot closer to the ground. Reach out your foot only an inch off the floor. This will be harder for your core muscles and your hip flexors. Still touch elbow to knee each time. Perform 10 to 15 reps. After you finish the bicycle crunches, we'll go back to the straight leg bridge. And this time you're going to take the bridge, the foam roller, and you're going to have it underneath your heel. So it's going to be a longer lever arm of the leg, which will make the exercise harder. Keep your leg nice and straight. After 5 to 10 reps, hold for a 10 count, and then switch legs. Again, you want your leg, the bridging leg, to be straight as you bridge. Keep your core tight too and squeeze the knee up into your chest. 5 to 10 reps and then hold for another 10 seconds. Finally, come back to the bicycle crunches and either perform holds at the end of this set where you touch elbow to knee and just hold for a 10 count, or you can then finish your set by doing the next variation, which is pulses. So with pulses, you're only going to perform tiny little reps after your normal set. So perform a normal set of bicycle crunches and then pause and then perform tiny little pulse sets where the elbow and knee only separate 1 inch apart. Do 10 to 15 pulses on each side and then switch. You could do multiple sets of pulses and holds on your last set to really strengthen your core and make your muscles work as hard as possible.